how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Vida Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education. And today in this session we are going to learn a new poem, that is poem number 5, Merry Raindrops. So as we all know that before starting any poem or a chapter, what we are learning first? Yes, we are learning the vocabulary words of that chapter or a poem. And why we are learning that? Because it gives the exact meaning of the given word and it also improves our skills such as reading, listening, writing and speaking. So by learning vocabulary words, all these skills are improved. Right? So for that reason we are learning vocabulary. And our first vocabulary is Peter Patter. Peter patter means sound of raindrops falling on the ground or roof. कि जो पानी की बूंदें गिरती है जमीन पे या हमारे रूफ पे, तो उसका जो साउंड आता है, राइट, दैट इज नोन एज पीटर पैटर. देन विंडो पैन, पार्ट ऑफ अ विंडो फिटेड विद ग्लास. कि जो विंडो का पार्ट जो है वो ग्लास, जो ग्लास वाला पार्ट है, राइट, सो दैट इज नोन एज विंडो पैन. Part of a window fitted with glass. You can also see in the picture. Playthings. यहाँ playthings means toys, जिसके हमारे खेलने की जो चीजें हैं, यानी कि toys. Bricks. Here building blocks. कि building को बनाने के जो blocks होते हैं, right? Bricks, ईंटें. Right? So these are our vocabulary words. Peter patter, sound of raindrops falling on the ground or roof. Window pane, part of a window fitted with glass. Playthings, toys, bricks, here building blocks. So these are all our this vocabulary words. Now let's have a brief introduction of the poem. That what the poem is all about. The poem is about a naughty child. एक बदमाश बच्चे की ये poem है कि who is indoors on a rainy day. कि एक बारिश के दिन वो पूरा दिन वो घर पे रहता है and he has broken all his playthings and has nothing to do. कि उसने अपने खिलौने सारे उसने तोड़ दिए और उसके पास कुछ नहीं है खेलने के लिए. So he watches the raindrops on the window pane and asks to play with them. इसीलिए वो खिड़की के विंडो के पास खड़ा रह के वो बारिश को देखता है और उसे बोलता है अपने साथ खेलने के लिए. So now let us see the poem. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? वो drops of rain जो पानी के बूंदे उससे पूछते हैं कि तुम लोग कहाँ से आते हो. Peter patter down the window pane. कि तुम ऐसे टिपक 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 पानी गिरता है. कैसे? Down the window pane, वो पानी फिर नीचे चला जाता है. They won't let me walk and they won't let me play. तुम्हारी वजह से मैं खेल नहीं पाता हूँ और मैं चल भी नहीं पाता. And they won't let me go out of doors at all today. और वो लोग मुझे तुम्हारी वजह से मुझे बाहर भी नहीं जाने देते. पूरा दिन मुझे घर पे रहना पड़ता है. They put away my playthings. कि मेरी सारी चीजें मुझे एक साइड रख देनी पड़ी. Because I broke them all. Because मैंने वो सारी तोड़ दी. क्योंकि मैं पूरा दिन घर पे रह रहा हूँ, इसलिए तुम्हारी बारिश की वजह से. And they locked up all my bricks. और ये मेरे सारे bricks को लॉक अप कर दिया है क्योंकि मैं बाहर नहीं जा सकता. And took away my ball. और मेरा बॉल भी ले लिया. Tell me little raindrops. कि मुझे बताओ, is that the way you play? तुम इसी तरह से खेलते हो? Peter patter all the rainy day. कि बारिश में पूरा दिन तुम Peter patter अपनी जो बारिश धीमी जो बारिश है वो चलती रहती है, तो क्या तुम ऐसे खेलते हो? They say I am very naughty. कि सब लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि मैं बहुत ही naughty हूँ. But I have nothing else to do. लेकिन मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है करने के लिए. But sit here at the window. लेकिन मेरे को सिर्फ यहाँ पे विंडो के पास बैठ के सिर्फ बारिश देखने के अलावा मेरे पास और कुछ नहीं है क्योंकि मैंने सारे खिलौने भी तोड़ दिए हैं. I should like to play with you. मुझे तुम्हारे साथ खेलना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. The little raindrops cannot speak. लेकिन बारिश तो नहीं बोल सकती. But Peter patter means we can play on this side. कि हम लोग वहाँ पे खेल सकते हैं. Why can't you play on that? कि why can't you play on that? कि तुम वहाँ पे क्यों नहीं खेल सकते? तुम तो वहाँ पे खेल सकते हो. बाहर निकलो, बारिश में उसके मजे लो, तुम खेलो, बहुत मजा आएगा बारिश में. right? So this is the poem Merry Raindrops. Let us read the poem again. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter, down the window pane. They won't let me walk and they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors at all today. They put away my playthings because I broke them all, and they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Pitter patter, all the rainy day. They say I am very naughty, but I have nothing else to do but sit here at the window. I should like to play with you. The little raindrops cannot speak, but pitter pat means we can play on this side. Why can't you play on that? So this is the poem Merry Raindrops. Now let's have a quick recap of the poem with the help of the video.
Merry Raindrops.
Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter, down the window pane. They won't let me walk, and they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors at all today. They put away my playthings because I broke them all, and they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Pitter patter, all the rainy day. They say I'm very naughty, but I've nothing else to do but sit here at the window. I should like to play with you. The little raindrops cannot speak, but pitter patter pat means we can play on this side. Why can't you play on that?
Okay, so I hope that you have seen the video and you have recalled the poem, right? So what we have done till now, कि अभी तक हमने क्या किया? We have understood the meaning, why it is important to learn vocabulary. We have understood the vocabulary words. We have also understood the poem, and that too with the help of the video, right? So now we are going to see our language part. Now we are going to move on to our language part. So in our language part, our topic is compound words. Compound words you have already studied. कि compound words क्या है वो आपको पता है. That by joining two words, a new word is formed and it gives a different meaning, right? That are known as compound words. And we have seen that there are three types of compound words. Open, compound words, three types: closed compound, hyphenated compound, and the next is open compound. Right? So three compound words that are closed compound, hyphenated compound, and open compound words. Now, what are the closed compound words? Closed compound words means when you are joining two words, there is no space in between those words. कि वो दो words के बीच में जरा भी space नहीं है. If I write, see here, it is raindrops. So rain is also a different word. Drops is also a different word. But when we have joined it, it gives a new meaning to the word, right? And see here, there is a no space. So these raindrops comes under the category of closed compound. Now if I write hyphenated compound words, so if I am writing that 86. 86. EIGHTY and 6. So here I have put a punctuation that is hyphen. So when you are joining two words by putting a sign of hyphen, कि अब जब दो वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करते हो लेकिन बीच में वो हाइफन की साइन आ जाती है, then such words will come under the category of hyphenated compound. And the last one is open compound. Means you are joining two words, but there is always a space between those words. For example, ice cream. Ice cream I am writing. But there is always ice or cream. We are speaking together because it gives another meaning. But there is always a space between ice and cream. Though it is a compound word because it comes under the category of open compound. Right? So this we have already learned in our previous sessions कि हमने हमारे बहुत पहले के sessions में already we have studied about compound words. Right? That there are three types of compound words: closed compound, hyphenated compound and open compound. This now comes here again this topic, so we are just having a recap of this, and now let us move on to our exercise part, that what we are supposed to do. Okay, so look at the words playthings and raindrops. कि आपने देखे playthings and raindrops. So in the poem, yes, there are two words. ये दोनों ऐसे words हैं that they are combined to form a compound word. कि ये play और things ये दोनों को combine किया गया, right, to form एक नया word बनाने के लिए. Just like rain drops, right? So they are known as compound words. Now write at least two compound words. Write at least two compound words for each of these words. For each of these words. Okay? So we are supposed to write the compound words. So you can see over here that I have written some of the words. Now we are supposed to write two compound words for each of these words. ये जो की है तो उसके पीछे हमें कोई एक ऐसा वर्ड ऐड करना है कि हमें कोई एक नया वर्ड मिल सके. एक एग्जांपल के लिए आपको ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे दिया गया है, राइट? दैट इज कीबोर्ड एंड कीचेन. Right? Over here we have added board and over here we have added chain. So it form तो एक नया word बन गए. तो ऐसे ही हमें ये सारे words के कुछ ऐसे दो words ऐसे हमें लिखने हैं. So for book I'll write bookmark. If you know the words other than this, आपको अगर इसके अलावा कोई words पता है then you can write it down. Okay? Bookmark, then bookshelf. Then over here, daylight, daycare, blackboard, black tea, blackboard, black tea. Right? Then butter, buttercup, butterfly, hand, then handful, handmade, right? So you can see that we have written two words. Now apart from these words, अगर आप कोई दूसरा word लिखना चाहते हो तो आप लोग लिख सकते हो, right? There is no such compulsion that you are supposed to write these words only. So key is there, and we have added the word board, so it forms a new word, that is keyboard. Over here we have added chain, so key chain. Now book, bookmark, bookshelf, day, daylight, daycare, black, blackboard, black tea, blackmail, butter, buttercup, butterfly, hand, handful, handmade. Right? So in this way you are supposed to solve this question. I hope that you all understand it well. So now let's move on to our next question. So in our next question, what we are supposed to do? First, now you can see अपने पोम में देखा होगी कि ये जो वर्ड्स थे जो साथ में पिटर पैटर, right? So in the poem you can see, so the words in the phrase are rhyming, कि ये जो है वो एक rhyming की तरह, पिटर पैटर, पिटर पैटर, पिटर पैटर, it looks like a rhyming words, right? So and describe the sound of the rain, और वो एक sound भी describe करता है. So here are more such rhyming phrases. यहाँ पे भी कुछ ऐसे rhyming phrase है. So match them correctly. You are supposed to match these words correctly and then find out the meaning in the dictionary. आपको ये match भी करना है. फिर match we will do over here. Then after this is when that is your work, that you are supposed to find the meaning of these words from the dictionary. कि आपको after doing this आपको एक homework है जो क्या करना है आपको कि डिक्शनरी ओपन करनी है और डिक्शनरी में से जो ये वर्ड्स यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगी उसके मीनिंग्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. सो आपकी ये वाली एक्टिविटी भी हो गई कि हाउ यू विल यू गोना यूज द डिक्शनरी. ओके, सो आपको एक डिक्शनरी का यूज भी अब पता चल जाएगा. सो इन द ब्रैकेट्स वी हैव वर्ड्स सच एज स्केल्टर, टर्बी, jumbo, burly, and mel. Right? So these are the words. Now mumbo, helter, pel, hurley, and topsy. So what, first of all, let me ask you that what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are such words that rhymes the same at the end of the word. कि word के end में जब उसका sound जो same होता है जो words का, that are known as rhyming words. Black duck, एक sound है, so they are both are rhyming words. तो ऐसे ही हमें जो same sound वाले जो words है उसको match करना है. We are supposed to find out from the bracket. So mumbo, skelter, no. Turvy, no. Jumbo, mumbo, jumbo, umbo. It sounds umbo, oh. So yes, mumbo and jumbo. Now helter, skelter, or sound. Pel, turvy, no. Pel, burly, no. Pel, mel, L sound. So yes, pel and mel. Now hurley, turvy, no. Burly, yes, hurley and burly. And the last is topsy-turvy. Topsy-turvy. So this we have done. We have matched these phrases according to their rhymings, right? Rhyming words. Now what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to match these. कि आपको ये जो है उसके now you are supposed to find out the meaning from the dictionary. अब आप लोगों को इसके जो meanings है वो डिक्शनरी में से find out करने हैं. Okay? So this is one of your work which you are supposed to do. कि आपको इसके meanings find out करके लिखने हैं. Okay? So this is all about today's session. So what we have seen, we have understood why it is important to learn vocabulary, then we have seen the vocabulary words, then we have understood the poem, and we have also got the recap of the poem with the help of the video, and then we have moved on to our language part, right? In the language part, we have seen the topic that is compound words, and the another topic that was rhyming words and the use of dictionary, right? So before ending our session, let us read the poem again. एक बार फिर से ये पोम को हम रीड कर लेते हैं. Oh, that is many raindrops, right? Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter, sing. It sounds same. Pitter patter down the window pane. They won't let me walk, and they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors at all today. They put away my playthings because I broke them all, and they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Pitter patter all the rainy day. They say I'm very naughty, but I have nothing else to do but sit here at the window. I should like to play with you. The little raindrops cannot speak, but pitter patter pat means we can play on this side. Why can't you play on that? So this is all about today's session. I hope that you all enjoyed this session. Now I'll send you the worksheet which you are supposed to solve it in your book. So while solving out the worksheet, if you don't understand anything, then first go through the video again. कि पहले आप ये वीडियो को पूरा फिर से देखो ध्यान से, and then after still if you don't understand anything, then you can ask me in the comment section. आप मुझे पूछ सकते हो, ठीक है? So this is all about today's session, and I hope you all enjoyed this session. कि आप सब लोगों को मजा आया होगा. So now until we meet again in the next session, till then, bye everyone and take good care of yourself.